Hello, my name is Andy. Today I welcome you on the EMO show in Hannover to our CERATIZIT booth, and I will show you now the best-in-class solutions. Hi Stephen.
Hi Andy, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good, very good.
Okay, let's talk about aerospace.
Okay, let's do it.
So what do you have for us?
So we've got a wide variety of cutters here, solid carbide, indexables.
All right, so let's talk about the tools you have presented here.
Yeah, so this one here is a A211DC. It's a 3D printed cutter body with coolant channels directly at the cutting edge for optimal cutting performance.
All right, so get the heat away from the
away
part.
from the component into the chip.
All right,
push the performance.
All right. So that looks very impressive, very rigid.
Yeah.
So what is the specialty about that?
Yeah, so this is an integral cutter body design where the cutter body and the holder are all one piece.
All right.
8 edges in the cutting, in the insert as well. CTC 5240, very strong on titanium roughing.
Okay, and optimum economical because of the cutting edge.
Indeed,
okay, and a very rigid tool. Okay,
fantastic performance.
All right.
Different numbers of cutting edge, corner radius as well for different applications.
All right,
yeah.
all right. Good, and the porcupine cutter, what about that? What is special on that?
So this is our performance range of porcupine cutters, XDKT inserts with a positive edge. You can push the performance a lot more, especially in titanium, where CTC 5240 as well, on these grade of this insert, really shines.
Okay, in this diameter, we try to reduce the cutting forces, obviously, right?
Yeah,
so very soft cutting. All right, okay. Looks good. So let's move on here. What do you have here on the solid carbide side?
Okay, so we've got a number of solid carbide solutions. Again, we've got the ISO-S mills, thread milling, drilling, circular line, and then also some aluminium cutters, like this 25mm aluminium ripper cutter.
All right. So the specialty on the solid carbide, we have launched a new line here.
Yeah.
Can you explain a little bit more about that?
So the ISO-S, I believe this is a tool designed specifically for titanium. It's got special geometry and certain coating and grade that makes it optimal with that material.
All right, and especially for this kind of contour, we have all kind of sizes and fluid lengths and number of fluids and so on, and high-performing coating to have the longest tool life for this application.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you very much,
Okay,
Stephen.
thank you very much.
See you.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.